All right, let's get it, Truman. So picking up its slope. Slope is the rise over run. It's the change in y over the change in x. Change meaning difference, subtraction. So we're going to take y sub 1 minus y sub 2 and x sub 1 minus x sub 2. So going over here, the first point will be the first, the second will be the second. It really doesn't matter. So this is x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. These numbers have to maintain the same relationship in here. So y sub 1 will be negative 19 minus negative 7. The same number that went with this y has to go first. So 1 minus negative 2. Subtracting a negative is really adding. So this is negative 19 plus 7 over 1 plus 2. So this is negative 12 over 3. So if this is m equals, then this is going to be m equals negative 4 over 1, which is the same as negative 4. Which makes sense because if you had a graph, the positive numbers go this way and the negative numbers go that way. So if you had a point at positive 1, negative 19, and negative 2, negative 7, these would be 12 apart, and this would be 3 away. So if you went up 12 and back 3, you would have up 12, back 3. Or if you went down 12, forward 3, the same relationship. Okay. I'll do one more. Ooh. Actually, I'm going to skip down to here. And right here it says, given 2 points, write the entire equation. So right here, they just wanted the slope. Here, they want y equals mx plus b. So we're going to start with, so I'm just going to go. I'm going to do it my way. And this is negative 4, negative 1, minus 0, and 3. So, gotta flip that. So this is gonna be negative 4, negative 4. This is my x, this is my y. So this is y equals, this is m equals the change in y over the change in x. Well, this change was negative 4 over negative 4. Which equals 1. Okay. So my y equals x plus b. Okay, so I'm going to plug one of these in. So I'll just pick this one. Negative 1 equals negative 4 plus b. So to get rid of this, I have to add 4. So this is going to be 3 equals b. Okay, so y equals x plus 3. That makes sense because right here, this is my y-intercept because my x is 0. So I can plug it in and check it. So this should be 3 equals my x plus 3. 3 equals 3. Yeah, that's right. So this equation represents that line. Let's go. All right, me personally, I look at my X and my Y and I subtract vertically. So that's how I had the difference. So subtracting that would make that -3, -4, and -4. I make sure to put my Y on top. That's where most people mess up. I put my Y on top, my X on bottom, and I find my slope. I go back to the original and I plug in my slope, which is 1. And then I pick one of the points to find it. I have to pick the other point to verify it. Please don't use the same point to find information and verify it. It's a bad feedback loop. All right, so if you would, please take this time to look at BC on both of them. And good luck. Let's get it, True.